Hello everyone, this is Arcade and you are watching Unreal Universe. So let us start today's tech news with the first story from Apple, and a particular iPhone model that is going to be released in 2018 can cost as half the price of iPhone 10, and Apple is planning to release that device which will cost around $550, and it is speculated to be called as iPhone SE2, but still nothing is still officially confirmed about the name of that particular device. However, it is going to be a 6.1-inch LCD display on that device, which is speculated to be iPhone SE2, and it is going to have both single SIM and a dual SIM model, and the dual SIM model for that particular device will be costing around $650. It will too have that iPhone 10 type notch on the top. So what do you think about this budget iPhone which is going to release in 2018, and what are your thoughts on it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And the next story is from Motorola, and Motorola has announced 4 new devices in its budget section, which is the Moto G6, Moto G6 Play, E5 Plus and E5 Play. If you are interested to watch the full launch of these devices, just click on the card present at the right corner of the screen. And tell me, what do you think about these budget devices in the comment section below. And the next story is about the LG G7 ThinQ is going to release on the 2nd May 2018, but LG V35 and V40 are making its way towards the rumors world. And LG V35 is codenamed as Emma, which was leaked by Evan Blass, and LG V40 ThinQ is codenamed as Storm. What does these codenames specify about the devices? I don't have any idea. Why do they have such strange names? If you have any idea, do let me know in the comments section below. And if you find these videos interesting, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification for more upcoming content like this one.